Hi everyone, I'm Meju. Do you know goose razor shell? It is common in Korea, Japan, China, and Taiwan. I'm gonna cook Korean spicy soup 매운탕 with razor shell. It tastes spicy and sweet because razor shells make soup sweet and rich. This is special, but not difficult to make it. It's simple. Now let's get ready. I'm cutting the vegetables into bite size. You can use mushrooms as your favorite kinds. And then place sliced vegetables in a pot. Like this. Oh, shrimps. Freshwater shrimps are the best, but if you don't have it, we can use every kind of shrimps. These are dried shrimps. Today's main ingredient, razor shell, and 2 tablespoons of Korean hot pepper paste, gochujang. That's all. This is really easy, right? And pour the water to cover the ingredients slightly. Please boil this for about 10 minutes and then skim off the foam, or it smells like junk. Finally, I put the ground garlic, green onion, and red peppers. Red pepper is for decoration. Let's finish it. Usually, we have this soup with rice. It is spicy, a little bit sweet, and refreshing. Fantastic! Please don't forget to give me likes and subscribes. Please try this dish. You should like it. Bye!